Dripped out looking like sauce, right? Looking like Sherbert, looking like tea. Iced out looking like frostbite, looking like snowman, looking like ski. Hot up looking like Zandman, looking like Perk World, looking like Tree. Bad looking like Diamond, looking like money, looking like me. Cartier frames in the Mazda got the shorty so wet, looking like grease. Top bag hit 'em like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title of this video, you guys already know what we're getting into. We're going to be talking about how I got this perfect ginger SZA inspired hairstyle. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the video. So the hair we're going to be using today is a 20-inch lace front wig from Amazon, and I'm going to leave all of the details of this hair down below in the description bar. To complete this look, I used 2 tubs of bleach, and I only ended up using Adore's Cajun Spice. So in this step, I'm going to go ahead and mix the bleaching powder with the 40 volume developer. I would consider myself a beginner when it comes to bleaching and coloring, guys. So, I mean, you guys can do the same thing I did, but this was all a trial and error. I ended up using a little bit more volume developer because the bleach was a little bit too much. And so I mixed it until I was able to get not a thick consistency, but a nice pasty consistency. To start the bleaching process, I started off by sectioning off parts of the hair, and I used like 3 clips to separate it as I individually went through the rows of the hair and added the bleach. So I just used my hands and a comb. After sectioning each part of the hair with a comb, I go in with the bleach. I start off, not any type of systematic way. I just try to make sure that I'm able to saturate all parts of the hair with the bleach, and then I use my hand to massage it in to make sure that I'm able to get it into the small little nooks and crannies. After I'm done covering the whole wig with the bleach and making sure that I got it in all of the spaces, I make sure that I don't bring it too close to my roots. I set an alarm for 20 minutes, and then after I was done, this was the color that I had gotten. So I saw that it still didn't lift the way that I wanted it to, and the roots was a little bit dark, so I went back and I bleached it for a second time. So after bleaching it the second time, guys, I got the color that I wanted. I wanted it to still have a copper tint, but I wanted it to be light enough that I would be able to put in the Cajun Spice and you would be able to see the colors. Now I'm going to start the bleaching process, and I'm going to use the watercolor method, and I'm going to start off by spraying my lace with Got To Be Freeze Spray because I do not want the color to tint my lace. So I'm going to go ahead and give it like a light spray. Then I just set it aside, and then I grab the pot of hot water that I had boiling, and I'm going to pour that into the plastic bowl. Even though I boiled a lot of water, I only wanted to use about 1/3 of it because I didn't want the color to be too diluted because I wanted it to sink into the wig. I'm not sure if I'm explaining it correctly, but I just wanted to get more of the color, so I used less water. So here I'm going to take the Adore Cajun Spice, and I'm going to just pour the bottle into the water. While bleaching the hair, I wanted to make sure that the color would be evenly displayed on the wig, so I used my little brush and I evenly distributed the weave into the bowl of hot water with the color in it, and then I'm just going to just damp it all in there, and I'm going to keep going in a up and down motion, pulling and dropping it back into the hot water. Now as I do that, you guys are going to see that the color is clearing up from the water, so it's not as dark, and that's what I wanted because I wanted the color to go straight on the weave. So that's why I used less water. So I didn't pour the whole bottle of Adore into the bowl. I did 1/2, and then I went back with the other half, and I kept on dipping it just so the wig can soak up most of the color and I will be left without any patchy color spots left on the wig. One thing that I found that really helped out when it came to disbursement of the color was me switching over to my comb, where I combed it down to just separate the hairs as I dipped it, so that if there was any spots that were missing, it would go ahead and soak it up. I was so excited, guys. This is the exact color that I wanted. I was really afraid, because I did bleach it twice, that the color and the luster of the hair was going to change. But guys, it was really good. I ended up cutting the ends of the hair as I styled, and here it is after I went ahead and curled the hair, and I went ahead and cut the hair, layered it, and here's my last and end result for this hair, guys. It's just giving what it was supposed to give, and the luster is still there. It still shakes, okay? And I like the fact that it kind of gives me different variances of that orange. To be completely honest, guys, I was really scared when I started the process of bleaching this hair, but I did the damn thing, okay? I did it. It's nice and soft. It moves. It gives me different shades of that orange that I want, and it's just great. So, yeah, so excited. Alright guys, so after straightening, styling, and cutting, I cut the ends of the hair. This is what I got out of everything. I only used 1 bottle of Adore, and the hair, to be honest, was already kind of copper before I dyed it. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys 360. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up and turn on those post notifications so that you guys will be notified every time I drop another banger like this, okay? So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, okay? And if you guys are new to this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Subscribe, okay? Bye, guys.
Hey. Dripped out looking like sauce, right? Looking like Sherbert, looking like tea. Iced out looking like frostbite, looking like snowman, looking like ski.